Ever tried creating anime art with AI only to end up with deformed hands, weird proportions, or a completely inconsistent style? It's incredibly frustrating. But what if you could generate flawless, studio-quality anime art? Before we start, just take a look.
通次第の剣士か。出てこなさい。
Yes, all of this was created using just one single platform. This tool is PixAI. So let's get started. First of all, go to Google and search for PixAI. You will see a link right at the top of the search results. Click on it to open PixAI and the dashboard will appear on your screen. At the top of the page, you'll see a prompt box. This is where you can enter your idea or description. Simply type what you want to create and PixAI will generate images based on your prompt. Now, let's take a look at the left side of the screen. Here you'll find several important options, including Home, Generation, Models, Create with Mio AI, and other useful tools. For this tutorial, we'll start with the Generation tool, so go ahead and click on Generation. The first option is the prompt box. This is where you describe exactly what you want the AI to create. The quality of your results depends heavily on the quality of your prompt. Right below that, you'll find the Style section. Styles allow you to quickly apply a specific artistic look to your image. Whether you're aiming for a modern anime aesthetic, fantasy artwork, cinematic visuals, or something more unique. Now I select Modern Glam Anime. Scroll down. As you can see, there are multiple models available here. Each model is designed to create a different type of artwork and visual quality. You can choose whichever model best suits your project. I use Haruka V2. Awesome! Our model is now selected. So let's move on to the next step and start creating something amazing. Each LoRA adds specific styles, character features, outfits, poses, or visual effects to your image. You can choose any LoRA that matches the look you're trying to achieve. And for this example, I'll be selecting this LoRA right here because it can really enhance the overall look of the artwork and make the final result stand out even more. Now, let's create something amazing. Right here at the top of the screen, you'll find the prompt box. Simply enter your prompt and describe exactly what you want the AI to create. For this example, I'm going to use my own prompt. Perfect. Our prompt is now ready. All that's left to do is click the Generate. Now, let's give it a few moments to process everything. And there we go. Our image is ready. Just look at that. All right, now let's take things to the next level. Up at the top of the screen, you'll see the video option. Go ahead and click on it. And just like that, the video section is now open and ready to use. First, take the prompt you used earlier and paste it right here into the prompt box. Now, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll notice two very important options, start frame and end frame. Let's start with the start frame. Go ahead and click on it, then select the image you want to use as the beginning of your video. Click on end frame and select the image. This image will be used as the final scene of your video. Awesome. Both images are now in place. Now, as you can see, there are several video models available here. Feel free to choose whichever model best fits your project and creative style. At the moment, I can see two options, basic and professional. Both are great choices, but for this tutorial, I'm going to select this one right here. Next, let's look at the duration setting. I've set the video length to 10 seconds, but you can make it shorter or longer depending on the type of video you want to create. Right below that, you'll find the Add Audio option. This feature allows you to add audio in supported languages, making your videos even more engaging and professional. And that's it. Everything is now ready to go. All that's left to do is click on the Generate. Now, let's give it a few moments while the video is being processed. And there we go. It's finally ready.
通次第の剣士か。出てこなさい。
And that's a quick look at what you can create with PixAI. from generating stunning anime artwork to creating amazing AI videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.